challenge 5. I'm going to try to do this differently than I normally do it. See how it works. No guarantee of anything, but we're going to check it out. See what happens. Come on. Oh boy. Already starting with a pain in the butt. Deselect. Man, oh man, this thing is making it difficult. I don't normally do it this way, but I'm trying something different. See how it works. I'm going to try to send some planes in there. See if that makes it easier. Get rid of some of this anti-air. All right, now we've got rid of some anti-air. Hold that right there. I am going to try to see if we can't kill one of these babies with some air. There you go. There you go. All right, so that'll work. Only one way to learn is to try it. There we go. Deselect. And let's get a little air in here, see what happens. Okay, that's an easier way to do it. Only one way to learn. So now we'll bring in Bounty Hunter. Clear this bad turkey right out. Won't get any points for this, but this is a learning curve. You don't learn if you don't try stuff. Oh, guess what I didn't do? I didn't put on electric. All right, deselect. Let's get that guy a little bit closer. There you go. Once you get rid of those two machines, the rest is pretty simple. But it helps if you would shock them. Because if you don't shock them, they'll shock you. Oh well. There's always something, isn't it? Just made it a little bit more interesting without using the shock. Shock just freezes them in place. We'll be all right. Also lets them shoot me, though. I bet I'll survive. Got nothing else to do, so might as well do it. Here they come. There you go. The only trick is getting rid of those two machines. Other than that, it's really pretty easy. Even without shock. Kill him, kill him. Gonna have to be careful here because he might shoot me. If he does, so be it. Nope, he's not strong enough. All right, that's it. I don't normally use air, but this time I want to use air and it's much easier. Victory. I don't get anything because I'm not at level 5. Okay. And don't leave an opening. Leave an opening. Go and do likewise.